When was the last time you took a very good look at the activity section on your LinkedIn profile? If you're like most of us, it'll have been a while. I want to share some tips with you today about how you can make this section hum because it's quite easy, but most people just don't know about it. While you're here, please do subscribe to our channel where I'm always adding new information about LinkedIn to help you leverage the platform to achieve your professional goals. Right, to the activity section on your profile. It sits right below featured, which gives it a good bit of prominence. It has a number of tabs that match the different kinds of content that you create and publish. If, for example, you have a newsletter, you'll have a newsletter tab. If you put on events and host them on your LinkedIn profile, you'll have an events tab too. Most of us, of course, have a posts tab because we create content, and some of us also do a video, and there's a tab especially for that. Now, you can change which one of those tabs people come into and see when they first visit your profile. If you do a lot of videos, you might want people to see the videos first. So make sure you have that one selected. If your most important piece of content is your newsletter, then that's the one to select too. This is a really good place to find out about events that people are holding because they will show up in the events tab. Now, there's also a tab for comments. And that is an interesting one because it means that you can go to anybody's profile and see what kind of engagement they are giving other people's posts. Is it value added? Is it asking questions? Or is it just the boring, great post that adds nothing? If you can do that on other people's profiles, they can do it on yours. So take this as a bit of a suggestion to make sure you ramp up your comments to be ones that you want people to know you're the kind that you deliver. You want good, actionable comments that people really see as showcasing your abilities and your experience. So the activity section, take a look at yours and see what you've got there as the default tab, likely to be posts, and see whether or not it's something that you might want to change to something just a wee bit more dynamic.